always happens. I have to go get soap, laundry soap. And I always say I'm gonna get it before I have to do laundry again. And then I'm back to square one. So laundry soap it is. And pretty basic and simple. And going to go run a few errands. And I have an upcoming little mini road trip coming up too. So I'm excited for that.
Let me forget to get some piece of bread. Hot dog bun, so I can have it right now.
Okay.
I left the headlights on again.
Oh no.
I don't know why I always leave the headlights on.
Every single item I have for my Arizona trip is absolutely filthy. Well, was. The dust, the desert air, it just clings to everything. But honestly, I'm grateful. The amount of stuff I have to worry about now is at a minimum. It's crazy to think that after 3 years of traveling full time with a whole travel trailer full of belongings, I've condensed my life down to a suitcase, a hiking backpack, and my purse satchel. The last time I purged my belongings was when I left California. That was rough, traumatizing actually. It wasn't just my things, it was my family's things too. Letting go of a home full of memories, full of life, it took a lot of time to heal from that. But being on the road helped. It forced me to process, to move forward, and all that kind of stuff. This time, though, it was a no-brainer, almost like God was doing a heart check. I had everything planned out for Arizona. I was so sure of my move that I had all my belongings shipped ahead. I literally moved out. But when the moment came, I just knew. I knew it wasn't the right move, and I only had enough money left for the plane ticket back. Not gonna lie, some items were hard to leave behind. Some things do hold sentimental weight, but at the end of the day, they're just things. What really matters is still here right now. Most importantly, I still have God, I still have life, I still have my family, and I still have purpose, whatever that may be. I'm still working on that. As I usually say, where there is a pulse, there is purpose.
Look at all the soap we put in. That's good, huh? Because it gets it clean then. Get some soap.
So there's this local coffee shop that I've been wanting to go check out, and since I have to wait for the laundry and stuff, it's a good time to go check it out. Let's go. Must be a good coffee shop because it is packed. repeat it, please? I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that. Thank you. Thank you. What do you want to say? What did you get? Show me.
Some type of blueberry thing.
How is it?
Huh?
How is it? Thumbs up?
No, no, no. That's too sweet? Well,
Try
that's
it.
good if it's one of those.
Try
I mean,
it.
that's. I wonder how.
That's $8,000. Dang. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. So it was okay. I mean, it's a nice hangout spot. Beep beep. Wash my backpack because it is pretty dusty in Arizona. Oh dang. Oh my gosh. Okay, start over. It's not a big deal. Hey, there's no sign on that one, so let's go to this one.
like the small little things?
I don't. I like those, but
Yeah,
they
we'll get
used it.
What's better, girl?
So Carolyn likes a variety, but I know she said either Raisin Bran or Cheerios, and she doesn't want any of that gluten-free fancy stuff. She just wants good old-fashioned canola oils and stuff like that. So let's just give her what she wants. That's Raisin Bran. Should we go to the brand name?
Yeah, get her the Kellogg's.
That one, and then
Can you get the family size?
she'll freak out if you get her anything that's like too different than old-fashioned stuff. So,
Which one do you
and I like to get
Perfect.
this one. She's not gonna like grass-fed. She'll freak out.
That's
if
what
it's
Joe wants. She's in.
processed foods, more processed foods, and more processed foods. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I think eating clean is just easier for me now.
This one's two. Let's go in these. Two of these. And pineapple tidbit.
More processed foods. Yes.
Okay, so you want to try Veranda blend or Pike's Place?
I want to try.
This is medium.
And more processed foods. Oh boy. Okay, David wants Rocky Road, so let's at least give him. Let's tell him. Oh,